Welcome. Let us read Dinka. Piɔk. Piɔk mean Aguek. Aguek in English is frog. This is Piɔk. Let's read. Piɔk elantin ye yot equak. Yen echeng na piu yi na agor ke ka air. Na che ding tweng ka piɔk echiu yela. Quad e quad e quad e quad e quad e. Naki in coach oak anong kiki chit quad a kech na ye ko. Kuke par kalo ot bilo cheng tin. Achiran ye piɔk dom na ye chin naki in coach oak. Akaye cut way na team. Let's repeat it again. Piɔk elantin ye yot equak. Yen e cheng na piu yi na agor ke ka air. Na chedeng tweng ka piɔk e chiu yela. Quad e quad e quad e quad e quad e quad e. Naki yen coach oak anong kiki chit quad a kech na ye ko. Kuke par kalo ot bilo cheng tin. Achiran ye piɔk dom na ye chin naki yen coach oak. Akaye cut way na team. Teach. Teach mean question. Ye piɔk chiu yede. Ye piɔk chiu yeda. Piɔk e chiu quad e quad e quad e quad e. Teach row. Ye piɔk yot yede. Ye piɔk yot yede. Piɔk e yot equak 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 equak. Teach diak. Ye piɔk diet nengo. Ye piɔk diet nengo. This is a question for you guys. Read this one and answer the question here. Also give me the term word for this one. Oak. Oak mean what? Oak mean what in English? Write it for me. I want to know also. So that is it, guys. This is Dinka Bor accent. So in Dinka Bor they call frog. This is frog. In Dinka Bor it is called piɔk. Piɔk. But in Dinka Malwal dialect we call it Aguek. Aguek. So this is the difference. We call it Aguek and they call it piɔk. Yeah, you see the difference. So, and there are term words here like oak and equak. So these are term words. We don't have them in Dinka Malwal. And so guys, give me the translation of this equak, and also give me the translation of this one. Where is this? Yeah, this one. Equak oak. Thank you very much. This is the end. Bye bye for now. Please follow for more Dinka videos. I'm William Majak. Bye bye for now. Dornele Chawe Kuyane. Next lesson.